You will spend about a third of your entire life asleep, roughly 26 years, gone, unconscious, unaware. It sounds like a colossal waste of time. But here's the twist. Sleep is not switching off. While you lie there doing nothing, your brain and body are running one of the busiest, strangest shifts of the entire day. Your brain rewires itself. It physically washes itself clean. Your body rebuilds, and you hallucinate wild stories you'll mostly forget. So what's really going on in there? Let's draw it out. It starts the moment you close your eyes. Deep in your brain sits a tiny internal clock. As darkness falls, it triggers a hormone called melatonin, the chemical signal that tells your whole body, it's time to power down. This is why screens hurt your sleep. Their blue light tricks that ancient clock into thinking it is still daytime, so the melatonin signal never gets the chance to rise. How much you need is set by your age. Newborns sleep up to 17 hours a day. Teenagers are wired to fall asleep late. And in old age, sleep turns lighter and more easily broken. All day long, a molecule called adenosine has been building up in your brain like sand filling an hourglass. The more that piles up, the sleepier you feel. Caffeine works by blocking it, but the sand keeps falling. As you drift off, your brain waves slow and stretch out. Your muscles loosen, your heartbeat eases, and you slide down into the first light stage of sleep, the doorway to the night. Ever felt a sudden falling jerk as you drift off? That is a hypnic jerk, a tiny glitch as your brain hands over the controls to sleep. Completely harmless and weirdly common. But sleep isn't one flat state. It comes in waves. Across the night, you ride through repeating cycles, each about 90 minutes long. Every cycle takes you down through light sleep, into deep sleep, and back up into dreaming. The deepest stage comes early in the night. Your brain waves roll long and slow like ocean swells. This is the hardest sleep to wake from. Jolt someone awake here and they'll feel groggy and confused for minutes. You even have brief awakenings between cycles that you never remember. Quick surfacings toward consciousness, so short that your brain erases them before morning. The very first cycle plunges you into the deepest sleep of the entire night. That is why the first 90 minutes are the most precious and the worst possible time to be woken. Then you rise back up toward dreaming and the cycle begins again. 4, maybe 5 times a night. And as the hours pass, the balance shifts. Less deep sleep and more dreaming toward morning. This is why, when you wake matters, not just how long you slept. Jolt awake mid-deep sleep and you feel wrecked. Wake at the top of a cycle and you feel refreshed, even on less sleep. From the outside, you look perfectly still. Inside, you are anything but. Now let's go inside the sleeping brain, because this is where it gets astonishing. All day, your experiences are held in a fragile, temporary store. During deep sleep, your brain replays the day and files the important memories into long-term storage, and quietly deletes the junk. Sleep is when today becomes a memory. Your brain even sorts memories by importance, replaying the day's big moments again and again while letting the forgettable ones quietly fade. You wake with a curated highlight reel. This is why a good night's sleep helps you learn, and why problems often look clearer in the morning. Your sleeping brain reshuffles ideas and connects them in new ways. Sleep on it is real neuroscience. It also explains why all-nighters backfire. Cram without sleep, and the memories never get filed away, so by the time the exam arrives, half of what you learned has already leaked out. Your brain even keeps a skeleton crew on watch. A new parent can sleep through roaring traffic, yet snap awake at the faintest cry. Your sleeping mind is still filtering the world for what matters. And here's the strangest part. As you sleep, your brain cells shrink, opening up channels, and fluid flushes through, physically washing away the toxic waste that builds up while you're awake. Your brain literally cleans itself at night. One of the things it clears out is a sticky protein called beta amyloid, the very gunk that clumps up in Alzheimer's disease. Miss enough sleep, and the cleanup falls behind. Your nightly wash isn't optional. While your brain works, your body runs its own repair shift. Your heart rate and blood pressure drop to their lowest of the day, giving your heart a genuine rest. Your breathing slows and steadies. Your body temperature falls. Everything downshifts to save energy and heal. Your energy stores get refilled too. While you rest, your cells top up their fuel and clear out the byproducts of a long day, like a pit crew swarming a parked car. Even your hunger is tuned overnight. Sleep balances the hormones that tell you when you are full and when you are starving, which is why a bad night can quietly make you eat more the next day. In deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, repairing muscle, mending tissue, and building bone. This is why sleep is when you actually recover from a workout, and why growing kids sleep so much. Your immune system also kicks into gear, producing the cells and proteins that fight off infection. It's not a coincidence that when you get sick, all you want to do is sleep. Your body is calling in its night shift. And then, a few times a night, something bizarre takes over. It's called REM sleep, rapid eye movement. Behind your closed lids, your eyes flick back and forth, and your brain suddenly blazes with activity almost as intense as being awake. This is the land of vivid dreams. Most of your dreaming happens in the last few hours before you wake. That is why the dream you actually remember is almost always the one playing right before your alarm goes off. Even nightmares may have a job. They could be your brain safely rehearsing danger, a flight simulator for fear run while your body lies frozen and protected in the dark. But your body does something clever. It paralyzes you. During REM, your muscles are switched off so you can't act out your dreams. Occasionally, you wake before the paralysis lifts. And for a few frightening seconds, you can't move. That's sleep paralysis. Why we dream at all is still one of science's great mysteries. Dreams may help process emotions, rehearse threats, or simply be the story your brain tells itself while it sorts the day. Nobody fully knows. And that's kind of wonderful. Some of history's greatest breakthroughs arrived in dreams. The ring shape of benzene, whole melodies, famous inventions, when the sleeping brain was finally free to wander and connect wild ideas. So what happens if you skip all of this? Miss a single night, and your focus, memory, and mood all crash. Your reaction time drops as much as if you were drunk. After a few days, people begin to hallucinate. Sleep is not a luxury your brain can skip. And the long-term bill is steep. Chronic short sleep is linked to heart disease, weakened immunity, weight gain, and a higher risk of dementia. The nightly repair shift isn't optional. Skip it too often, and the damage adds up. And you cannot fully catch up on lost sleep. Sleeping in on the weekend helps a little, but the deep, restorative sleep you miss during the week is mostly gone for good. The scary part is how normal running on empty has become. Whole societies now sleep less than any generation before, trading the one repair shift the body can never skip for a few more waking hours. But get a good night, and you wake with a brain that's been filed, flushed, and rebooted, and a body that's been repaired. Sleep is the single most powerful thing you can do to reset your brain and body for free every single night. So the next time you fall into bed, remember, you're not losing those hours. You're handing your brain and body over to the most important work they do all day, quietly in the dark while you dream. Sleep well tonight, and if you learned something, subscribe. We draw out one curious question like this every week.